Okay, let me show you how to publish your book on Amazon KDP step by step. You need to come here kdpamazon.com, and from the bookshelf you can click on create new title or series. It will take you to the next page. Here you can click on create paperback, and this will take you to the paperback details page. Here you can enter book title, subtitle, series if any, edition number, author name, contributors, book description, and other details. Before uploading your book, you should have your book interior ready, like this one. This is my book interior for a letter tracing workbook, 106 pages. It is 8.5 into 11 inch PDF, and I can show you my pages. If we zoom out, these are my pages. Very simple letter tracing workbook. Now I will show you my book cover. So this is my book cover, letter tracing workbook. I'm going to upload this book for demonstration only. And the final thing you need is book title, subtitle, book description, backend keywords, and categories. To do that, you can go to ChatGPT and enter a prompt like this. I want to publish a paperback book on Amazon KDP. The book title is Letter Tracing Workbook for Kids ages 3 to 5. Give me KDP compliant SEO, subtitle, book description, and 7 backend long tail keywords. Also give me relevant KDP categories. Once you give this simple prompt to ChatGPT, it will give you SEO, subtitle, book description, backend keywords like this. These are all long tail keywords, and it will also show you recommended categories for the type of book you are going to publish on Amazon KDP. Make sure you double check all this info for copyright and trademark, and also for any mistakes. So double check this information, then start publishing your book on Amazon. We are going to publish this book, and here we will enter our book title, then subtitle, description, and everything. I have already done this, so I will quickly show you that. This was my book title, Letter Tracing Workbook for Preschooler. Here you can also write for kids based upon your actual title, for kids ages 3 to 5. And in the subtitle you can copy and paste from ChatGPT. This is the subtitle. Make sure your subtitle is short, sweet, and readable. Here we can see if we enter this one, it is super long, so we can shorten this like a fun and engaging book for kids with lots of letter tracing. Here you can write preschoolers or any grade you are targeting. Make sure you are not repeating same keyword in the title and the subtitle. Preschoolers. Next, skip this for now. Edition number, skip this for now. If you are publishing multiple book in the same category or same series, you can create a series here, and here you will enter your author name. Like my first name is Subha and the last name is Malik, so I will enter here like that. Leave the contributor field blank. If you have any contributor, you can enter here like editor, illustrator, introduction, narrator. You can write their names here, but most of the time you are the publisher, you are the editor, so leave this blank. Here you will enter your book description. You can write your own, or you can take help from ChatGPT, and just click on I own copyright, because your book doesn't have any content like adult content, so you should select no. Here you can select level from baby to age 1 and 2. I have left this blank. Primary marketplace is amazon.com, and here you can select your book categories. Let me show you how to select categories. You will go here. Before I add any category, I will have to remove this, then add another category. Select category like children books. Under children books you can go to education and reference, or any relevant category. Juvenile, non-fiction, concepts, alphabet, language arts, handwriting. So any category related to handwriting can work here, like reading and writing, or study aids, language study. You can select any language here, or select reading and writing, and then click on handwriting. I have already selected this one. I will also select this one. It has added third category. Make sure you are only adding relevant categories. If your book only applies to one category, just add one, then save changes. Here add long tail keywords relevant to your book title and subtitle or book interior. Make sure you are not repeating any keywords included in the title and subtitle. I have taken some keywords from ChatGPT. Double check these keywords for trademarks and copyrighted words. Publication date, select this one. Publication date and release dates are the same. Click save on continue. It will take you to the paperback content page. Here click on get a free KDP ISBN. If you have your own ISBN, you can enter here. So I'm going with the free option. Then comes the print options. Select this one, black and white interior with white paper. Then go to trim size. Here you can select any different trim size. There are multiple trim sizes available, like most popular are these one, then most standard trim sizes, then non-standard trim sizes. My book is 8.5 into 11, so I will select this one. If your interior has bleed, you should select bleed, but my interior does not have bleed, so I will click here. Then for cover, you either click on matte or on glossy. For children books, you can select glossy, but for most of the books, matte applies. I am going with the glossy. It gives a little shiny look to the book covers. Then finally, you can come here to the manuscript, and here you can click on upload and browse to this folder, and you can start uploading your book interior. I have already uploaded this. For the book cover, you can click on the second option, that is upload a book cover, and you can upload here. It will take some time and process your files. AI generated content. You should tell KDP about if you have used any AI or not. I haven't used any AI for my book. I will select no. Then I will click on the launch previewer once the files are processed successfully. My files are already uploaded and processed, so I will click on the launch previewer. Here it will show you any errors here. My interior and book cover don't have any errors, so I am seeing no error messages here. I can simply approve that. Before approving, I can quickly go through my book cover and interior pages and make sure everything is inside these dotted lines. My book interior looks fine, so I can click on approve. Now I can scroll down and then save and continue. This takes you to the rights and pricing page here. Just scroll down, select where you want to publish your book. I want to publish in all territories. I will select this one. Primary marketplace is Amazon.com. Here you can enter pricing for the Amazon.com, and it will auto generate prices for the rest marketplaces. I always make sure I am earning 60% of royalties. Let me show you. If I enter less than 9.99, I will be earning 50% royalties. It requires us to enter at least 9.99 to earn 60% royalties. I make sure in every marketplace I am entering the minimum price range to earn 60% royalty. I will quickly go through every marketplace and adjust my pricing. Once you are ready, you can click on publish your paperback book, and it will go into a review process that will take up to 72 hours. And after that review, your book should be live on Amazon KDP if it doesn't has any errors. If it has error, you should receive an email from Amazon, and then you can correct those errors and republish it. So that is all about how to publish your book on Amazon KDP. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.